Hello, today we're working on this 16 to 18 Toyota Tacoma. SR5 and TRD model should be the same. We're going to be working on these taillights, switching them out, the incandescent taillights to our LED taillights. The only tools you need is a screw holder, magnetic preferably, and a 10 millimeter socket and wrench. Alright, we'll get started. All you got to do is open this guy up. Once you open up the tailgate, you've got these two screws over here that are 10 millimeters. All you gotta do is take them out and the taillight should be free, and all you gotta do is pull it out. We're gonna be removing these two, number one, number two. And then from here, we just pop it out. So from this point, all you have to do is remove these sockets. You twist them counterclockwise, just lightly pull them out. And then once you got the harness out, go ahead and remove the taillight. This is our new Spyder taillight that we're replacing it with. In the back, as you can see, there are 3 connectors already pre-built in. So all you have to do is take off these plugs, the bulbs, unplug the bulbs, and then connect the correct ones, and then put them back in and turn the sockets to weather seal them. Go ahead and take off these bulbs. And then we're gonna line them up. What you want to do is figure out which wire is the power one. So it's gonna be this yellow one up here. So as you can see, there's a red wire here on the top. You want to line that up. Plug it in. Go ahead and push the harness back into the light. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and pop it in and twist it, seal it. So that one's done. Second one here, there's a red and a white. So the red goes with the red. Then just push the wiring back into the light housing itself out as well. Twist it back in. Okay. Then this third one here. This red wire. Follows out to this blue one here. There's these 2 metal prongs, and there's 2 white clips here on the car. Just line it up and push it in. These 2 screws go back in. They're the 10 mils that you removed earlier. So these guys here. Correctly, make sure they thread a few before you use a wrench, because you don't want to cross thread them. All done.